What's going on, Mommy Mafia? It's your girl Cheetah Mamii, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Cheetah Mamii and you're part of the Mafia. Once you hit that subscribe button, so go and hit that subscribe button so we can be a big family. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys another unboxing. My last unboxing video, I unboxed my Versace robes. If you haven't seen it, go check it out after you watch this video. It's actually my most viewed video, so you don't want to miss that. Today, I have this big old box, and I'm so excited to open this, and I don't want to waste any more time, so let's just get into the video. If you guys want to see what's in this box, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I have the box in front of me, and I don't want to waste any more time. I want to just get right into it. Before I do, I want to kind of tell you guys a little bit about what's in this box. So I was on the website casually just looking for some fall shoes, some fall Uggs, nothing crazy. So I come across these shoes, right? And I was like, yo, these are really like different. Like, I haven't seen nothing like it. I was like, let me just get off it right now because I want every color. So let me just get off, let me like let it resonate in my brain before I just start buying them all. And then I go back on the website a few hours later and the shoes are gone. Like, they're completely gone and I can't find them. And I'm panicking and I'm like, I need these shoes. Like, what do I do? So I actually called like the UGG customer service and I'm like, I know these shoes are online because they were up there like 2 hours ago and there's no way they sold out that fast. And the girl was like, well, sometimes you have to like type in our search bar because our website's kind of weird like that. You have to like type everything in. Sometimes it'll show up, sometimes it won't, which I'm like, what is that? Like, I've never even heard of that, but that's how their website is. So I typed it in and I found it. Thank God, because I needed them. Let's just hope they fit. And I'm ready to do some damage. I'm going to find a good spot to start cutting. Right here is good. Here we go. Okay. Boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes. Let's get the first one. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the other one first because that's actually like, you'll see. So, here we are. We have our box. And I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Comment down below if you guys love Uggs. I know a lot of people are like against Uggs and call them ugly, but I think they're really cute and their colorways be popping sometimes. So, and they're really comfortable and warm. So like, I don't understand. People are weird. Here we go. Oh my God. I hope these aren't big. I feel like they are, but I'm still gonna wear them. Oh my God. Okay. So here's the shoe. Okay, you guys, so if you guys cannot tell, I'm gonna get kind of like closer so you guys can see what's going on here. So this shoe is on the outside, like a rain boot, and on the inside, it's like their fur material that they always have on the inside, underneath. Let me come closer so you guys can see that. You guys see that? Yes! I got a size 8. We're rocking with that. So I'm gonna put this baby on. I don't know what this is. Let's put her on. Let's clean our foot and put her on. I don't know how to show you guys. Hold on. Here we go. Yes, baby girls. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my God. Okay, so right off the bat, these are warm, they're comfortable. These are good. Let's get the other one out. Honestly, I probably could have got a 7 because I forgot that years ago when I first purchased my first pair of Uggs, which are long gone now, so I couldn't remember, but now that I do remember, I think they say like you can go like size, not size down, but like don't size up or anything because they stretch. But I got them in a size 8. And they're gonna have to do, because you don't technically have to wear socks with them. So that's another thing they say, but okay, I'm wearing these bitches and it is cute. What you guys think? Y'all see the fur? Y'all see the fur? Yes. Thumbnail? I did purchase the exact same pair in a different color. So let's go see how that looks. This is what I'm really excited about. I had to get a neutral color, but I also had to pop off a little bit. So here's the box. Oh my God. Do you guys see this color right now? So same idea with the rain boot on the outside, like plastic, and then on the inside it's like that furry material that's in the boot, you know what I mean? So it's like the whole boot is made of this material with like this plastic on the outside. Does that make sense? Excuse my nail, I just broke my nail and the ring light is fucking it up. Do you guys see that? Let me get the other one out for you guys. Excited about these. When I saw these, I was like, I have to get them. Some of their colors were on back order till like November, and I was like, no. But y'all see this? Let me switch sides. Do y'all see this? Okay. And they're waterproof, obviously, but it says it like on the back. Right there. You can wear these bitches in a puddle. But they're still furry and they're still Uggs. Okay, let me stop. Whew. Okay, let me put one on. Let me put one of these babies on. So I already know that they're a little bit too big, but which is fine because I get like tips on my toenails anyway, so I don't want anything rubbing. What? Oh my gosh, and they kind of match my pants. Whew. I love them. I truly, truly, truly love them. These fit. These are so cute, you guys. Do you see this? These are popping. So this is it. This is really it. Comment down below which pair you like better, the blue or the beige. I forgot the technical colors of these online, but I'll try to link it below. I'm super excited, you guys. Honestly, for fall, I'm gonna get more wear out of these, but like these are just so different and cute, and like this color, how could you not? Like, how could you not? Okay, you guys, that completes my unboxing video. Yes, it was short and sweet. I apologize, but I mean, how many times can I show you these amazing shoes? Like, just rewatch the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. Like this video.
Wham! And you dropped this money. Sorry, I'm tempted to keep it, but you dropped it.
So I can buy more Uggs.
Well, whatever you're gonna do, you dropped it.
I think we're gonna buy more Uggs with this money because I'm obsessed, you guys. I don't know. Like this video if you enjoyed. Honestly, I want you guys to be part of the Mamii Mafia, part of the family. You already know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.